In this video, we will be downloading an ISO file to be used for virtual machines. And if you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing, and let's get right into it. So let's just say we want to download Windows Server 2022. All you have to do is type Windows Server 2022 in the search bar and then add ISO download. This is the exact phrase that you want to search, and then hit enter. So you'll see here, Windows Server 2022 is the download. So you'll land in the Microsoft ENUS site. All you have to do is select the ISO download for your region. In my case, I'll use English United States. And all I want to do is hit 64-bit version for the ISO downloads. And once you do that, it's going to be prompted here. So it's going to take some time to download, but once you get that downloaded, then you should be good to go. And it's that simple. All you have to do is just click the download and you'll have the ISO file. And I have other videos on what to do with those ISO files after, but you should be good once you get that